Hi guys, so I wanted to show you how to do another one of your choice boards. This is one of the ones that's due, so that's why I'm uploading it to Google Classroom. That way you guys can see how to do it and how to do a good job on this assignment. So it's one of your writing activities and it's not listed on your third grade choice board. I actually modified this assignment so you can choose to do it instead of one of the ones that's written on your choice board, whichever one you think might be too hard for you. Just substitute this one instead of that one. So the topic I chose is my favorite animal because I thought you guys really enjoyed writing your animal projects in Miss Bomberger's class, so I thought you might want to write about another animal, whether it's the same one or a different one. So the thing I started to help you guys is kind of like what you guys do when you write a paragraph, how you do your hamburger model. I know we don't have a picture of a hamburger, but you can always make your own. And you don't have to do this, but it might make your writing easier. So I did my own little graphic organizer. So I put topic, sentence, and then I put reason 1, reason 2, reason 3, and then a conclusion, because those are all parts you want to include in your paragraph. And if you get those down on paper right away, it'll be easier to write your paragraph, because then you just need to add in your transition words and things like that to make it sound better. So my topic sentence, I said, my favorite animal is an otter. Reason number 1, I love watching them swim and flip around in the water. Reason number 2, they are so cute and fluffy. Reason number 3, it is so cute how they hold hands while they're sleeping so that they don't get lost. And then my conclusion, that's what wraps up my whole paragraph. I said, those are all of the reasons why otters are my absolute favorite animals. So that wraps up what my whole writing was about. So now when I go to write my final copy, I basically already have the whole thing done. I just want to add in some little transition words, maybe a few more details here and there to make it sound better. So here is my final paragraph. It says, my favorite animal is an otter. I love otters for many different reasons. The first reason is I love watching them swim and flip around in the water at the zoo. The next reason I love otters is because they are so cute and fluffy. Finally, I love otters because I think it is so cute how they hold hands while they are sleeping so they don't get lost. Those are all the reasons why otters are my absolute favorite animals. So see how it's basically the same thing that was in my graphic organizer. I just added a few more things here and there. And then when you're done, don't forget to do your COPs. You got to check for capitalization. Got to check for organization, which means does my writing make sense? Did I organize it in a way that makes sense? Punctuation is, does each sentence end with either a period, exclamation point, or a question mark? And then the S stands for spelling and spacing. So you have to make sure your words are spaced out so it doesn't look messy. You want it nice and neat so the person who's reading it can be able to tell what it says. And then spelling, you want to make sure that your words are spelled correctly, and you might need help from a parent or maybe a sibling to help you with that, but just do the best that you can with your spelling. And if you're typing it, you can always use spell check to help you make sure you spell your words correctly. All right, I can't wait to read about your guys' favorite animals.